Basic Math, Chapter 10, Section 1. What is a decimal? A decimal is a number that names part of a whole. A decimal has a decimal point with digits to its right. For example, the number of digits to the right of the decimal point is the number of decimal places. For tenths, 6/10 would equal the decimal point and then the number 6. That is 1 decimal place. For hundredths, like 42 hundredths, that equals decimal point 42. There are 2 decimal places for 2. Second example, a mixed decimal has a whole number part and a decimal part. 2 is a whole number and 0.8 is a decimal. So 2.8 or 2 8/10 is a mixed decimal shown with 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 8/10. For practice, write the numbers on a separate sheet of paper. Draw a line under each decimal part, then tell the number of decimal places. So this is what we're talking about. So if we underline the decimal part, it would just be under the 7 for number 1, 9 7/10. Then tell the number of decimal places. So that is 1 decimal place. For number 2, it would be underlining this part. And then we can say that there are 2 decimal places. For number 3, we would underline the 33 hundredths, and we would write there are 2 decimal places. For number 4, we have 793 thousandths, and we can say there are 3 decimal places. For 5, we would underline the 4 thousandths and note there are 3 decimal places. So you can pause the video and try some more if you'd like to write them. There's a couple that are only whole numbers. So for number 11, there is no decimal place. So we have no place to draw a line, as we're only drawing a line under the decimal part. So there are 0 decimal places. How many decimal places for 15 with the number 700? 0. I think that's it. All right, so there is Chapter 10, Section 1. So please practice in your workbook for that and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.